Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A42 and let me show you how to remove and then add a Google account to this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find accounts and backup. As you can see here we've got whole Google section, so of course you can enter it and here you can manage your account, so here you can remove it or add new one, but let me do it using another option. Here we've got accounts and backup, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. If you want to remove it, just tap on it. And here we've got a remove account option. So let's tap on it, tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the Google account simply disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it. And now in order to add new one, as I said, you can go through the whole Google section, but if not, just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info to check. So let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got some backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And actually that's all. As you can see here, we've got our newly added Google account. So that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy A42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.